Having Wi-Fi problems on your SANSUI Smart TV with webOS? If your TV won't connect to Wi-Fi, keep disconnecting, can't find your network, or has no internet connection, this video will show you the most effective fixes to get it working again. So first you have to make sure your router isn't too far from your TV, as a weak Wi-Fi signal can often cause connection problems. So if the signal seems fine but you are still having trouble connecting, just try restarting your router. Simply turn it off, wait about 5 minutes and turn it back on. So once your internet connection is fully restored, just try connecting your TV to Wi-Fi again. So the next thing you have to check that your TV's date and time settings. So this is important because an incorrect date and time can sometimes prevent the TV from connecting to the internet properly. So you just have to press the settings button on your remote, then press OK and go to the all settings menu. And now from here, you just have to go for general, then system and select time and timer. So if the time is set automatically here, just switch it to manual and enter the correct date and time. Once you have updated it, just try connecting to Wi-Fi again. So now you may see that your problem is solved properly, but in your case, if you're still having trouble, try refreshing the network connection. So you just have to press the settings button on your remote again and then press OK and go to all settings menu. So here you have to go to general again, then network and select Wi-Fi. Now choose your connected network for forget it properly. Next, turn Wi-Fi off on the TV, and here you have to perform a cool reboot. So while the TV is turned on, just unplug the power cord from the power outlet and wait about 5 minutes. Then plug it back in and turn the TV on again. So once the TV restarts, just go back to the Wi-Fi settings and reconnect to your network and check if the connection is working properly. Also, if your router broadcasts both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi networks, try connecting the TV to the 2.4G network. It usually provides a more stable connection, especially when the TV is located further from the router. And that's it. Hopefully one of these fixes solved the problem. If you need any more help, just let us know. And thanks for watching.